How to calibrate iCON vPole using iCON Trade software and iCON ICS 50. vPole calibration procedure improves the accuracy of vPole tip calculation based on the V-sphere detection and pole length. Therefore, it is recommended to do it right after assembling the vPole and regularly after that. It is very important for the vPole tip to not move during the calibration. First, place the instrument at least 5 meters away from the V-sphere. Connect the instrument with the iCON Trades app. Make sure the tip of the vPole is placed on a stable location, for example, a survey marker. Go to Target Manager and tap the Info button, followed by Check and Adjust. Select the vPole height that you wish to calibrate. It is required to calibrate each height separately. Follow the instructions on the screen. The leveling is performed to ensure the highest accuracy of the measurements. When the leveling is finished, turn the instrument to your location to lock on the V-sphere. Place the tip of the vPole in the selected stable position. Now, turn with the vPole towards the instrument and tilt it approximately 15 degrees forward. Press Measure. When the measurement is successful, bring the vPole back to you and follow the guidance on the top of the screen to reach the next position. Turn approximately 45 degrees right and again tilt the vPole forward approximately 15 degrees. Trigger the next measurement. Repeat this sequence until the calibration process is finished. It is not allowed to change the vPole height or move the tip during the process. You'll be notified if the calibration is successful. Once the calibration is done, you can close the function or adjust another height. The new calibration is automatically stored. It is recommended to repeat the calibration periodically, especially after heavy use where the vPole was dropped or bent.